You want to take a mica, huh?
I wouldn't ride in that flower vase if you paid me $1 million. Come on. Get in.
Some nerve you got. Pretending to be a domestic appliance salesperson, bust your way into private homes and browbeat law-abiding people.
I get my paycheck for enforcing law and order. I don't make a living ripping off old ladies.
And I got a super sex appeal. You added my good looks, so you do it too. It's my fault. I got given a face what's a ticket to the top.
Ticket to where?
Hollywood, California. All I'm waiting for is a right moment to approach the wife of the president of Paramount. Yeah, all I'm gonna need is a break.
Thought you were a singer.
So what? How you think a Sinatra start?
Will it be?
First, I need an order battery check. Check the tires. 30 for up without leaded. Just a minute. Now, fourth, I want my friend to see I'm eating a cigar, so wait a second.
I've always wanted to take my family to this place called St. Augustine. Yeah, I've been told it's the oldest settlement in the United States. The houses the way they were then. Everything intact. The road, schoolhouse. Everything just the way it was 400 years ago. Hey, what are we stopping for? Hey.
Mama.
Okay? What's wrong?
Mama.
He must have a pretty high fever. He's burning up and crying out. Gotta get him to the hospital on a double.
Ma.